that's basic to the ecological concept, ecological accounting process concept is the commons. What are the commons? Well, those are places in the community that everyone has a right to access and draw value from. They add to quality of life. They add to property value. There are two kinds of commons. There's a natural commons and there is a constructed commons. Natural commons, we're familiar with them in terms of streams, ponds, wetlands, salmon, woodlands, and so on. Those natural commons provide intrinsic services for nature, and they provide services that are used by communities. The constructed commons is familiar to us as roads, drainage systems, storm sewers, and potable water systems, and so on. Some of these services that we call constructed common services overlap with our natural commons. So very often a storm drainage system releases its water into the local stream and it's conveyed away.